The hardware for your 8.5 by 11 inch telescopic pedestal sign frame includes a square base, telescopic pole, and an 8.5 by 11 inch poster frame, all made of durable aluminum. Begin putting your display together by placing the telescopic pole over the protruding connecting piece on the base and lining up the screw hole. Place and hand tighten the screw to hold the pole and the base together. Place the screw side of the frame into the top of the telescopic pole and hand tighten it to secure it to the pole. Once the frame is secured to the support pole, you can insert your 8.5 by 11 poster through the top of the frame carefully. Slide the poster into place and adjust the telescopic pole as needed up to 50 inches in height. Use the dial to tighten as needed, and your 8.5 by 11 telescopic pedestal sign frame is ready to be displayed.